everybody, we're back again to do some math. I was so excited yesterday when I got so many answers from the math video for our question that was, how do you feel today? And remember, our choices were upset, excited, happy, angry, and bored. How many people chose upset? You got it. Just shout out your answer. Which choice got the most votes? This made me so happy. I just told you the answer. Happy got the most votes. Look at all those. One person was upset. That person was having a bad day. One person was angry. That person must have been kind of grumpy yesterday. What two things got the same number of votes? Skylar, which two things got the same number of votes? Excited and bored. Two people were excited. Skylar, I think you were one of the ones that was excited. Two people are bored. Mrs. Kessler's kind of bored too that she doesn't get to go to school, but trying to do my best here at home. So we had 9 people that chose happy, 2 people that chose bored. So how many more people chose happy than bored? Do you remember how to do it? Match it up, then count how many don't match. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 more chose happy than bored. Let's look at upset and excited. How many more people chose excited than upset? Match them up. And you can figure out how many more were excited than upset. Did you say 1? If you did, you got it right. All right, everybody needs your whiteboard so we can do some subtraction and some addition. You look at the frogs. Decide which subtraction problem goes with that picture of frogs. Write it down. Look at the snails. Subbatize how many snails there are. Take away how many are crossed out equals how many are left. Look at the next one. Ooh, that's almost a full 10 frame. How many snails are there? Take away how many are crossed out equals how many are left. Remember, if Mrs. Kessler goes too fast, push pause and then come back with me. Here's the next one. Look at the kites. Find the subtraction problem that goes with that picture. Now look at the frogs. Find the subtraction problem that goes with that picture. Look at the snails. Find the subtraction problem that goes with that picture. There are 5 snails. 1 is crossed out. So how many are going to be left? Okay, look at this group of kites. Count how many kites there are. Take away how many are crossed out equals how many are left. Here's a group of snails. Ooh, write the subtraction problem that goes with that picture. And here's a group of ducks. Write the subtraction problem that goes with that group of ducks. Hey, we don't have a duck in our classroom yet. We need to get a duck. Ooh, Mrs. Kester will have to go down in the basement and see if she has a duck creature. We don't have a duck. No duck. No, too bad. All right, we're moving on from subtraction to addition. Write the addition problem that goes with this domino. Subbatize this number plus subbatize this number equals the total. Did you write 4 plus 1 equals 5? I bet you did. Here's the next one. Subbatize plus subbatize equals. Oh man, this next one is simple. Subbatize plus subbatize equals. Oh yeah, I bet Zach the zebra can do that one, can't you, Zach? Yep. 2 plus 2 equals 4. Hey Zach, you sound a lot like Mrs. Kessler. All right, do the next one. Subbatize plus subbatize equals your answer. Next one. Ooh, that's an easy one to subbatize. Subbatize, write the number, plus subbatize how many dots there are. Write the number, equals, write your answer. Oh, here's the next one. I bet Penelope Pig can do that one. Sure I can. 3 plus 3 equals 6. Oh, that didn't sound like Mrs. Kessler that time. Woo! All right, everybody grab a number grid. We are going to do part of a mystery picture today, but we're only going to do part of it, not all of it, and you need your green crayon, a number grid, and your green crayon. I'll wait until you get there. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody, do you have a number grid and a green crayon? Okie dokie. Here we go. First, this first one is going to be terribly hard. Find the number 1. I don't know if you guys can handle that. Color the number 1. 3-star coloring, please. And what's 10 more than 1? Well, I'll figure it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, Mrs. Kessler, we don't have to figure it out like that. We know that when it's 10 more, we just go down the column. Oh, thank goodness somebody knows how to do that. Ooh, now we're going to the other corner. Everybody color 100. Color it green. And what number is 1 less than 100? Oh, yes, 99. You got it. Color 99 green. Okay, find 67. To find 67, we have to go down to the 60s and all the way over to 67. 6 tens, 7 ones is 67. 10 more than 67 is Graydon. What's 10 more than 67? Yes, you are correct. 77. Now find the number 45. Go down to the 40s, go over to 45. 4 10s, 5 1s. 45. What's 10 more than 45? 55. What's 10 more than 55? 65. What's 10 more than 65? 75. All right, let's find 88. All the way down to the 80s. All the way over to 88. 8 10s, 8 1s. 88. What's one more than 88? 89. You're correct. I don't know what this thing is. It's a creature, but it just looks like green lines to me. All right, find 44. 4 10s, 4 1s. 10 more than 44, 54. 10 more than 54, 64. 10 more than 64, 74. Hey, maybe it's the Jolly Green Giant. You guys don't even know who the Jolly Green Giant is. But maybe your parents do. Or maybe Mrs. Kistler is really too old. All right, that's it for our number grid. Now, go get your papers. You can do the math paper together with me. Or if you want to do it by yourself, click me off. The first thing we have to do, this is another shape sorting paper. 2D shapes, remember, are flat. 3D shapes are solids. So the first thing we have to do is cut the bottom. Cut our pieces out. Don't make a bunch of little teeny tiny scraps. Nobody wants to clean them up. Look at, Mrs. Kistler only has one giant scrap right here. See that? That's all the scrap you should have. Don't make a mess. And get your glue stick. Your glue stick is in your pouch. If you're not done cutting, turn me off for a minute. Or maybe you want to turn me off or mute me, and then you can check yours with mine when we're done. Okay, this first thing I have looks like a tower. I think that's a pyramid. A pyramid is a solid shape. So it goes right there. What's this shape? Trapezoid, you're right. That's a flat shape. Oh, everybody knows this one? That's a flat shape too. That's a 2D shape. It's a star. Ooh, here's a hunk of cheese. What crazy shape is that? Anybody? 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 That's a prism! Triangular prism. That's a solid shape. Here's the next one. Oh! That's a triangular prism also. Oh, what is this thing? You know it. It's an oval. Ooh, here's an orange. Is an orange a flat shape or a solid shape? You're right, it's a sphere. It's a solid shape. And so this must be a flat shape, but we better count the sides on that thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides. 8 sides, just like an octopus. So that must be an octagon. Okay, everybody, that does it for math. Now, according to our schedule, you don't have to write anything today because we're right here and we just did our shape sorting together. So instead of a writing video today, you need to go read on Raz Kids. You need to read and take at least one quiz. And then for centers, pick one of these things down here. Has anybody tried happy numbers yet? Or maybe you want to work in your independent folder or work in your writing folder. You can do any of these things down here, and I'll be back at 2 o'clock to do a directed drawing with you. So until then, see you later.